Hey, it's Ava. Today I'm doing a cover of Self-Control by Frank Ocean, so I hope you like that. And this video is sponsored
by Trendywigs.
Trendywigs is an awesome wig company, and they have all lace front wigs and they're all super nice quality. Go subscribe to their YouTube channel. It's called Trendywigs Official, and go check out videos of them and their wigs. And you can also use my code IT'sAva30 for 30% off anything on their site. And I'll link their site in the description. I'll also link their channel in the description
if you want to go check them out.
But yes, they are so awesome. I got this pink wig. I got it because I wanted to know what I would look like with pink hair, because I was thinking about dyeing my hair pink. Don't think that's gonna happen anymore. But I still have this cute wig, so if I ever want to have pink hair, then I can wear this. They have clips in the wig, so you can be secured, not have your wig snatched. I don't know. But yeah, they're really awesome and you should all go check them out. Also, if you haven't noticed, I have a blue contact in and a brown contact in, and these contacts are from the contact company TTDI, and all of their contacts are so they can be really realistic looking, or like these, or you can get ones that are super weird and cool, and they have so many different types of contacts. They're just really cool. And you can use my code AvaBethard for 10% off anything from their site. They have other stuff. They have face jewels and other things I know from their site. But yeah, you can use that for anything on the site. 10% off. The contacts I have in right now are Queen Blue and Polar Lights 2 Brown. Yes. So if you want to match with me and wear a blue contact and a brown contact, then yeah, go check out these cool companies. And now I'm gonna shut up and let you guys watch the video. Hope you like it. What's that gumbo about your summer last night? Oh yeah, about your summer last, ain't give you no play. Couldn't make you shine last night. Couldn't make you shine on the last night. Couldn't make it into a halftime. I'll be the boyfriend in your red jeans tonight. Noses on a rail, little virgin, where's the way? You cut your hair, but you used to live a blinded life. Wish I was there, wish we'd grown up on the same advice, and our time was right. Keep a place for me. I'll sleep between y'all, it's nothing. It's nothing, it's nothing. Keep a place for me, Now and then you miss it. Songs make you cry. Some nights you dance with tears in your eyes. I came to visit, 'cause you see me like a UFO. That's like never, 'cause I made you use your self-control, and you made me lose my self-control, my self-control. Keep a place for me. I'll sleep between y'all, it's nothing. Keep a place I know you got someone coming. You're spitting game. Oh, you got it. Just a night. I know you gotta leave. Take down some summertime. Give up. Just a night. I know you got someone coming. You're spitting game. Oh, you got it. I know you gotta leave. Take down summertime. Give up. Just a night. I know you got someone coming. Spitting game. Oh, you got it. I know you gotta leave. Take down some summertime. Give up. Just a night. I know you got someone coming. You're spitting game. Oh, you got it. Just a night. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe down below for more videos. Also, please check out those companies that I mentioned at the beginning. I'll put my links all in the description for all of those, and use my codes if you want to for 30% off any wigs and 10% off any contacts. Follow all my social medias in the description below too if you want to, and bye!